Hey there, will the stock market really crash in the near future? In this video, we are going to speak about the future of United States economy and give you some investment advice at the end. Let's start. After pandemic, the United States economy could be recovered so fast, and nowadays, it has achieved some outputs as like as before pandemic. Now, unemployment rate is 5.2%, but in comparison with before pandemic, it can be decreased. Inflation rate is 5% and higher than central bank target area. All data show us the United States economy is in expansion stage and the growth will be continued. But there are some obstacles in the way of stock market growth. The first one is interest rate. When pandemic had occurred, the United States Central Bank diminished interest rate to 0.20%. It's the lowest rate in USA's history. They started to purchase assets and supply money into the economy. Then, their efforts worked and the economy was recovered. But now, is it time to change the policies? Expansionary monetary policy is good for economic growth, but if they don't change it in proper time, it will cause hyperinflation. In some opinions, it's time to change the policies slowly. It's time to increase interest rate and tapering, but there is a barrier. Last month, recovery was slow because of widespreading of Delta COVID-19. It's the most important barrier to increase interest rate. But what's the next step? In my opinion, soon or late, Federal Reserve will change the policies and increase interest rate. Then we can see the following change in the stock market, gold, and other markets. First impact is gold downtrend. Gold will fall in short term because lack of risk and higher US dollar price. Second impact, the stock market will fall, but not much. Basically, little increase in interest rate can stop stock market, but its growth will be moderate, and after several increase in interest rate, we can expect the stock market stop. So what should we do? First, I think gold is so risky for 2022. Second, the stock market will be good, but not like 2021. Second, in 2022, we have to redesign our portfolio and add some stocks to beat the market. If you like this video, share it and write a comment. It will make us happy. Thank you.